Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the VAMEON token. Ticker symbol is VON, V-O-N. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting December 24th, Christmas Eve. So you got a long time here before this token gets listed on this big central exchange, so you got a decent amount of time to check it out before it's launched. And we're going to go over the information on the VAMEON token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says VAMEON brings you a cutting-edge 3D mobile action role-playing game, dEMPIRE, a vampire game powered by the BNB chain, blending AAA gameplay with instant onboarding, all within a decentralized play-to-earn NFT metaverse. Players are fully immersed in an ecosystem where they can mint free NFT characters and build their value through in-game processes, as well as earn crypto rewards and enjoy a captivating gameplay. Now, this token, as I mentioned, is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain and has a total supply of 1 trillion VON tokens. And it was just announced that this token will be listed December 24th at 9 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you are looking to get this token here, and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search VON when this token gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they do have a very large white paper that you could find on their webpage. Their webpage here is VAMEON.com. You can find them on BSC Scan. They have a Telegram at VAMEON, real easy to find that. And their Twitter, as usual, I'm going to put up right here, VAMEON69. So, the VAMEON headquarters is located in the heart of the UAE, in the bustling city of Dubai, where our game studio is not merely involved in game development, but in its revolution. We have more than 30 experienced specialists and developers in our diverse and growing international team. Each of them is dedicated to enhancing the gaming experience with the latest Web3 technologies. Our team includes artists, animators, and designers who work together with blockchain experts to create an innovative Web3 gaming space, bringing new ideas to the modern world. At the core of VAMEON's innovative approach is our unwavering focus on blockchain game dApps and Web3 technologies. But why blockchain? Well, the answer is simple: empowerment. Leveraging the power of blockchain, we ensure that the game account is solely in the hands of the rightful owners, the players, governed by the NFT tokens linked to it. Now, drawing inspiration from the allure of the vampire lore, VAMEON crafts an unparalleled metaverse. the dEMPIRE of Vampire. Venture into a realm where every corner revels a new mystery, every shadow hides a story, and every experience is uniquely yours. Our mission goes beyond entertainment. We aim to foster the mass adoption of crypto technologies within our gaming industry, enabling every player to truly own their game account, characters, and their hard-earned achievements. Our ultimate vision, a groundbreaking decentralized game where players globally are captivated by an exhilarating narrative powered by blockchain. The dEMPIRE of Vampire. No third-party tools, no diversions, just a holistic in-game experience where players have complete access to crypto functionalities seamlessly integrated into the game. Prepare yourself. Web3 world of darkness reimagined for the modern era awaits you. Now, it says here their core ideas of Web3 that they're using here is decentralization, permissionless, native payments, and trustless. And they're also in favor of ownership. It says our main goal is the mass adoption of crypto in classic game mechanics, where a player will be able to get acquainted with blockchain tech and feel the benefits of decentralization of Web3 without breaking away from high-quality gameplay. Our team has taken into account the experience of NFT projects and is working to create high-quality Web3 games with a main focus on gameplay and narrative, providing a low entry threshold for any player. Registration and additional steps are not required to start the game. Just download, play, and enjoy. All the expenses that are needed to create NFT characters and cover gas fees for token transfers within the game will be covered by our team so that the player would not be burdened with new terms from the crypto industry and would have an easy entry threshold. Moreover, we have integrated the self-custodial decentralized crypto wallet into the game where players' NFT assets are stored and only the player himself has access to his or her wallet and assets. Thus, a player does not need to connect a third-party wallet with the game. Everything is already in one place, simple, convenient, and safe. However, if the player is already familiar with Web3 games and uses the same crypto wallet across different games, they have the option to seamlessly connect their crypto wallet to the game using the Secure Wallet Connect protocol. So you can read more about this project on their webpage, VAMEON.com. They also have links to download the game. They have an Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Discord, YouTube channel, white paper, so many links. Go check it all out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.